Hello. Today we're going to continue with the theme of one camera, one lens. Got the Leica Q, and we are in Gatlinburg, Tennessee with my granddaughters. And we're going to head out this morning, head to the donut fryer, then head to Cades Cove, and take some images along the way and see what we can come up with. So let's get into it, and thanks for coming along. Well, it would figure. I dropped my camera on the floor of the Jeep and bears in the parking lot in the place where we were staying. So I didn't get the video, but I did get some pictures of them. So hopefully if anything turned out, I'll put it in here and you can take a look at it.
If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same. Never you calling my name.
Alright, so we've been out here driving through the cove so far. No wildlife, which really isn't that big of a deal. There has been some atmosphere, but the sun's coming out now. It's over here. Alright, so as it's coming out, it's burning off the fog and everything, but it is what it is. Alright, we're gonna, just continue looking and see what we can find. Now, again, when you're using a setup like this, where you got one camera, one lens, alright, you're pretty much restricted. Now, in this case, I got a 28mm f1.7. All right, so what I'm trying to do as I'm doing this is I'm, focusing more on landscapes. All right, it's either going to be like, for lack of a better term, we'll call it street photography, or it'll be landscape. All right, within the realm of what this can shoot. It's really difficult to do any wildlife with it anyway. So that's kind of the plan for the day. We'll see how it works out, and we'll continue to move forward.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love.
Look at all the wildflowers. Lazy-eyed seasons are called, the yellow ones.
Still no animals just here in Cades Cove, but still lots of beautiful views here. Just turn around so you can see. So plenty of time for landscapes. Nothing wrong with that, but again, when you're using a lens like I am, there's not a lot of flexibility, so you gotta figure out exactly what you're gonna do, and you gotta take your time and think about it. So like in this case, I'm gonna shoot at f8. All right, I'm gonna try to get a decent shot. Might even pull a panorama here, I don't know, we'll see. But because the sun is kind of in my eyes here, but there's a look. Got the leading line right here. All right, plus everything off in the distance. So we'll see if we can use this and make it work. All right, so we made it to the visitor center / halfway point. Gonna go back here and take my usual picture of the mill and a couple others while we're here, and take the grandkids into the little gift shop, see if there's something there that maybe they don't need.
There's a squirrel.
All right, let's keep looking. Alright, so we're going to kind of break the rules. I have my tripod. Still only have the Leica. We're going to take a picture of a waterfall to see what we can get. I've been here many times. Several times. Even made videos here the last couple. Alright, but we're still going to go and do it. See if we can capture something. Alright, it might be okay, might not. I got to be careful how I walk because everything is slippery. It has been raining and it's just rough. Oh, let's come over here and see what we can get. Alright, so we're using circular polarizer. We are shooting at f/16 at ISO 100, and it looks like we're about 2 seconds, something like that. The best I can do here in this particular light. Here, look over here, you can see. And then, of course, there's the back of the camera, so you can see. We'll try it. 2 second delay. We'll see what we get. And of course, if anything turns out, we'll throw it in. All right, well, we made it back to our cabin here in Gatlinburg. Had a real interesting, morning. Hopefully you've enjoyed the images. Had a great time out with the grandkids, exploring and taking images, so that was a good thing. Now, one thing I would say is I continue to come back to this. My only real negative in the Leica Q setup is when you're in a bright situation, the EVF, at least the way I have it set, and I haven't gone into the settings, right, to try to figure out, how to make the EVF brighter, if it is even possible. But it makes it difficult sometimes in bright situations to actually, use it for what you're trying to photograph. I can't explain why, it just does. All right, and beyond that, the camera's fantastic. I'm really enjoying the challenge of one camera, one lens. I mean, that part of it I really like, and the simpleness of the Leica Q is, to be honest, it's really a revelation. It's much simpler to use than my other cameras, and it kind of slows me down and gives me time to look at things and think a little bit and just enjoy the photography itself. So all in all, I'd have to say, another good outing, another great set of photos, just in a different application. Again, when you're taking a lens along as a 28 millimeter and you're stuck with that one focal length, it can get difficult, especially in the wildlife world of it, when deer come around, or bear or anything else. It makes it difficult. But beyond that, it's just a pleasure to have and use and shoot. So I'm not going to ramble. Leave me some comments down below. What do you think about the concept of one camera, one lens? You know, forget the fact that like it could be anything. All right, it's just, you know, am I the only one doing this? Everybody else do it? Is it a big deal? Do you find it, if you are doing it, do you find it to be, you know, somewhat rewarding per se? You know, from, you know, because it gives you more freedom and you can focus more on the images as opposed to which lens, which filter, which whatever. All right, you know, so leave me some comments. All right, I'd like to know what you think. So, all right, I'm going to end the video here and just say till we see you again, stay safe.